Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Ferreter. I wanted to show you how to add an extra class to your Google Classroom. You're going to be doing that in Miss Barrow's class today, and I figured having a tutorial wouldn't hurt. To add a new class, I want you to go to the Salem Gnomes website first, right? That's smsgnomes.com, and choose Important Websites from right here in the middle of the header. Then select the Salem Middle School homepage, and it will take you to the Salem Middle School site. Now, if you remember, when we were working with Mr. Cascio, we learned that he put a whole bunch of links to important services over here in the sidebar for us. And this colorful triangle represents Google Drive, and the chalkboard represents Google Classroom. Now, you would think that if you were signing into Google Classroom that you would click the chalkboard first, but that's just not the case. You have to actually sign into Drive before you can sign into Classroom. And so I'm going to click on this colorful triangle, and it's going to launch me into my Google Drive. Now, what you're looking at in this particular window is just my Drive. And I'm already signed in because I'm working on my school computer, and so it just remembered me automatically. You might be taken to the Wake ID sign-in page, but that won't be a surprise to you. You've seen that before. Now, once you've signed into Drive, you need to go back to the Salem Middle School homepage. So I'm going to click this tab up here in my header. It's going to take me back to the Salem Middle School homepage. And now I'm ready to click on the Google Classroom icon on the Salem Middle School homepage. It's a two-step process to sign in, and that's simply because the Google Classroom page doesn't actually have a sign-in window for you yet. So you have to begin by signing into Drive, and then you have to go back to sign into Classroom. Once you've signed into Classroom, though, you're going to land on a page that looks a little bit like this. It's going to show all of the classes that you're enrolled in. Right now, you guys have two different classrooms. You have a science classroom that's for everybody in general, and you also have a science class that's for your classroom in particular, like your specific class. And they'll be represented on these square tiles on this landing page. To add a new class, you select the plus in the gray bar right here, top right-hand corner. And when you select that, it's going to give you a choice to either create a class or join a class. Obviously, we're joining a class. At this point, you're going to enter the classroom code that your teacher gives you. In this case, Miss Barrow's class code. And I'm going to click Join. And what it's going to do is it's going to automatically take me to Miss Barrow's Language Arts class. Now, it's probably going to keep recommending that you take these tours because these are things that it always recommends. Now, you kind of know what you're doing here already, so we can X out of that tour. But this is where you can find any of the assignments that Miss Barrow will give to you this year. Does that make sense? Now, one final tip for navigation. Don't forget, Mr. Cascio pointed us to this little three-stripe line thing in the top corner, remember? That's called the Google Hot Dog, which he really liked. If you click on that, it'll show you all of your classes in your sidebar so you can easily navigate back and forth. Okay? And you can also click on this top home button, and it'll take you back to the landing page with the tiles on it. Okay, does everybody understand then how to sign in? If you don't, let me know. I'd be happy to help you.